I don't know about you, but like whenever I'm like, oh, I wish I could fly. I'm like, well, I can run, but I choose not to ever. So I think flying would be. Oh, I'm doing these fucking bits. Anyway, this is my last song for the night, and I think this is my last bit. Thanks again for coming, Alex Silva, Patrick DeMint, Kyle Lapson, Kevin Sherry, everyone, all the hits, all the greatest hits. My name is Deacon. I live in Baltimore, Maryland. Appreciate y'all coming out. This song's called Feel the Lightning. If you're not all hot and sweaty yet and want to get all hot and sweaty, this would be the time to do it. Joey Kramer's taking a nap. Nothing can wake him up. His temperature is cake icing, and he's got all the Steven Tylers inside of him. Let's see how high we can jump up and down. This is how I can jump. Joey Kramer, Joey Kramer, Joey Kramer, Joey Kramer, Joey Kramer.
Waiting for the moment to begin, but now it's over. But you're not tired. Can you feel that lightning bubbling in your skin? It's not right. But you're not tired. But you're all not waiting for this moment to begin, but now it's over. But you're not tired. Can you
yeah!
My name's Dan Deacon. Joey Kramer. Horace Grant.
One more!
I've got stuff for sale over there. Sorry to end the show on the note of capitalism. Everybody get home safe. Everybody tell someone they love them more often, including yourself. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Good night, everybody. I love you.